In just 4 steps, I will show you how to catch multiple spikes on boom and crash. Multiple long spikes on boom and crash. So I just dropped this signal on the free Telegram channel. If you want to be benefiting from my signals, check the description to join the free Telegram channel. All right, for free signals. You want mentorship? I do that too. So look at this signal here on crash 1000, almighty crash 1000. I want to show you guys in simple ways on how to catch spikes on crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, boom 500. The same thing I'm showing you here, you can apply it on any other boom and crash market and you'll be making consistent profits effortlessly. So now you can see the catch multiple long spikes from that our entry down to this point, and we are still running profits. All right, we just smashed our TP, and I'm still expecting market to drop more for more profits. All right, so first thing you need to do as usual, you smash the like button for me. Okay, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. So now, first thing you need to move to your daily time frame. On your daily time frame, you really want to understand what the market is doing. It's simple. It's simple. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. All right. Don't allow it to scare you, right? It's very simple. Very simple. Your daily time frame is very important. Now you want to know key levels. There's what we call key levels on the chart. So those key levels are levels where market is likely going to reverse from. Okay, retest and reverse from. Now why do you use the daily time frame? Daily time frame is pretty strong. It's very, very strong. And when you look for those level on the daily time frame, in most cases 60% of the time it respects your analysis. That's why you need to stay on the daily time frame for boom and crash. So now the first thing you need to do when you move to your daily time frame, you want to see what the market is actually doing, where is the market is going, what is the direction of the market. You can see we are in a strong downtrend. Market has been going really strong like this. Market has been going really, really strong like this. Now, if you agree with me, you see that every level where market breaks, market goes back to that level to retest. All right, market goes back to that level to retest. Look at this level here. Market broke this level. It was going up like this to this point, to this level, and reverse gave us this candlestick. This was a reversal. They pushed above this level. What happened? Market went up back to this level, touched this line before going up again. All right, that's it. Now, if you check again, if I put this line here, all right, this line here, when the market started coming down, you see that when market broke this level again, when market was coming down, when market broke this level again down, it went up to this point before the drop. And if we put another line here, when there was a breakout, you see that market respected this level as well. And the same thing here, we put this line here, when market broke this level. You see, market broke this level, went back to this point to reverse. And if we put another line right here, you see that markets broke this level and went back. It might be very hard for you to see all those break and retest on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame. But if you move down to 1 hour time frame or the 4 hours time frame, you see that every line that we mapped, market retested those lines. Can you see that? Now, right from top here, I think this is the very top that we can see markets broke, though it did not really came back, something like that, and retest this level. And look at this one too. Look at this one too. Market broke this level and pushed up, retested this level and started selling because it's a downtrend. Okay. All right. It's a downtrend. Yeah. Then around this level again, there was a breakout here. Market went back to that point. You see the retest that happened, the market dropped and market broke this level again, went back to this point and reversed. You can see that it started dropping again, broke this level again, this line again, went back, reversed, and the second time, so which is the one that we confirmed our entry. So this is pretty simple. Just need to know the trend of the market. If the market is a downtrend, in a strong downtrend, then that's the right time for you to start looking for an opportunity to, to sell. When market breaks a certain level on the daily, you wait for it to go back to that daily high or low, you take your trade. So now you can see that's simple. So after doing that on your daily time frame, all right, after doing that on your daily time frame, let me focus on the current price, the one we just took. If you learned anything right there, if you learned anything from what I just explained now, kindly smash the like button and drop some good comments where you're chatting from, sorry, where you're watching from. So now you can see we had this break, all right, on the 4 hours time frame. You can see here this break here, the breakout here. The market went back to that point. We know the markets will be going back to this level to drop. So now, after doing that on the daily time frame, we move down to our 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame will confirm the market structure. The structure is not hard. The structure is just for you to have something like a step like this, a staircase like this. All right. When you're going down, you see this step goes down to, it goes up, it goes up, and it goes down, it goes up, goes down. All right. So this is what you want to see. This is what you want to see, right? When you're moving down to your 4 hours time frame. Now let's take a look at this. If you have the same structure on the 4 hours time frame, let's see. Now look at this on the 4 hours time frame. From here, from this current price, let me use the current price. This current price here, you can see that we had this break, a push, and a drop, which is that state, the down structure, and market push up again, then there's a drop. Now you might say that market pushed up and gave us a new high that is higher than this one. The high that is higher than this one, it was not a body of candlestick, it was just rejection, like shadows. So it's not the actual candlestick, it's just its shadows, right, that went above the structure. So the downtrend is still a downtrend. This was just a manipulation to trick you, right, to trick you. So now you consider only this body of the candlestick that did not go above this level. Just the body of the candlestick that did not go above this level. When once market rejects like that, you start looking for selling opportunity, and you will move down again to 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you want to see reversal candlesticks, or 30 minutes time frame, you want to see reversal candlesticks. All right. So once market start reversing, you don't sell it at this point. You want to see market reversing. Once market start to reverse on its own, start coming down, that shows that market has reversed. And if you enter, in most cases, in 60% of the time, you're always right. You must wait for market to start showing you a sign that it's selling, then you start selling. And the sign that it's buying, then you start buying. If it does not show the sign, start reversing, show a sign that it will be selling, you cannot sell, it's risky. So you can see now it gave us a sign that it will be selling. Though we entered pretty late, all right, I would have entered somewhere here if you check on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you why I would have entered before my main entry. Here on the 15 minutes time frame, you need to also study your candlestick. Maybe our next video will be on the candlestick. All right. So in this case, you can see this, the first rejection and the second rejection. What does this mean? This is a bullish weakness. This shows that there's no bullish momentum anymore in the market. Market will be dropping. The price will be going down. All right. So this is my ideal reversal candlestick. This very candlestick here. This is my ideal reversal candlestick. You can see it gave us a drop, and this one went up and gave us a drop and closed like this. This is a strong bearish push in the market. I was supposed to sell from here, but I woke up a bit late. That's why we short it somewhere here. I was supposed to short it from here. From here, I'll enter, and my SL is just quite above this level, and it will start selling. All right. So that is how to catch multiple spikes. Now, how do you catch multiple spikes? Just for you to see that market has started reversing and started coming to your direction, then you start looking for entry with your candlestick confirmation. All right, that's where it will spike multiple times, several times, mighty long spikes, because you're actually in the direction of the market, which is the downtrend. You're actually in the direction of the market, which is the downtrend. So that's simple, bro. That's simple. If you don't really understand what I did now, you just have to watch this video over and over. You get a better understanding. All right. And if you still find it difficult, you can chat me up. You can join the academy to learn how to do this stuff by yourself and be making money by yourself. This we should 9 to 5, and I'm not saying 9 to 5 is bad, but if you have something that is supporting you, every day, you're making your own money. I have somebody that uses $20 to keep compounding. If you check the academy, my community, my guys are using $4 to make 180 and more with just little amount of money, because that's what I teach. That's why I love teaching them how to use little capital to make big profit. So if you understand the trend, the market trend, you can use little amounts of money to make big profits. All right. So that's simple, guys. In the next video, I'll be talking about candlesticks, how confirmation candlesticks, entry candlesticks. All right. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check the description to chat me up for my services, signals, mentorship, and join the free Telegram channel. You see the link there to join the free Telegram channel. I think that will be all for now, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.